Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pheasant on the grill. Pheasant is a wonderfully lean game bird, and preparing it correctly is key to a delicious meal. To ensure your pheasant stays moist and flavorful, I highly recommend brining or marinating it beforehand. Always make sure it's fully thawed and patted dry before you add any seasonings. This initial step sets the stage for a truly enjoyable grilling experience. Once your pheasant is prepped, it's time to fire up the grill. You'll want to preheat it to a medium-high temperature to get a good, even cook. Start by searing the pheasant directly over the heat for a few minutes on each side. This creates a beautiful, golden brown crust. Then, move it to indirect heat to finish cooking through gently, preventing it from drying out and keeping it tender. Knowing when your pheasant is perfectly cooked is crucial. The best way to ensure doneness is by using a reliable meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the bird, avoiding the bone. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches that, remove it from the grill and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite succulent. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly grilled pheasant. It pairs beautifully with a variety of sides, from roasted root vegetables to a crisp, fresh salad. A simple squeeze of lemon or a light herb sauce can really enhance its natural flavors. This lean and flavorful bird makes for a fantastic, healthy meal that's sure to impress. Get ready to savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.